Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Bhagat and today I am going to demonstrate one project in front of you all using this Arduino Uno board. So basically this project is all about pattern generation using n number of LEDs with the help of this board. So as you can see, I have constructed the star pattern using LEDs and I am going to generating this pattern with the help of this board. In other words, this Arduino Uno board is controlling this whole circuit. The project mainly consists of hardware part and software part. In the hardware part I am going to explain the construction of the circuit, and in the software part I will describe the code, which is also called as sketch in the Arduino playground. So in the hardware I have connected the 20 LEDs in the form of star and they are connected to the respective pins of the Arduino board. So all the anodes are connected to the Arduino Uno board pins with the help of the resistor, which is of value 330 ohm. For example, this first LED is connected to the 0th pin of the Arduino board through this resistor 330 ohm, first resistor. So according to that, 0 to 13 LEDs are connected to the 0 to 13 pins of the Arduino board, which are used as digital pins, and remaining LEDs are connected to the analog pins, which can also use as digital pins, that is A0 to A5. So total 20 pins I have used. Now all the cathodes are grounded and they are common to one pin, that is 14th pin of the Arduino board, which is ground. So this is all about hardware part. Now I am going to show the output of this circuit. From Arduino board, one USB cable is connected to the laptop, or you can connect it to CPU also. So as you can see, output is generating. So LEDs are following the star pattern and also gets back to the original position and gets all LEDs together high to show star and gets off for 2 seconds and then following the same loop again. So in this project I have used the FreeSync software, in which we can make breadboard view, and according to that schematic view is generated. So here in the breadboard view, LEDs are connected in a straight line and their cathodes are common to the ground, and anodes are connected to the pins of the Arduino board through these resistors, and one potentiometer is connected to control the delay between each LED. And this is a schematic view for the above breadboard view. And now I am going to describe the code, that is the sketch, which consists of 4 subparts: comment, initialization, setup function and loop function. Comment, which tells us about the working of the code that we have discussed earlier, and in the initialization part we have to declare the global variables, and here I have declared the int timer, which is for delay between the LEDs, and the higher the number, the slower will be the timing as per our requirement. Int LED pins, this is the array of pin numbers to which the LEDs are attached. So these are the pin numbers are mentioned. Int pin count indicates the length of the array. Total number of pins that I have used, that is 20. Now the setup function, which is used to initialize the pins or variables, and this I have used for loop. For int this pin is equals to 0, that means starting from 0th pin, this pin less than pin count. This means that array elements are numbered from 0 to pin count -1, and this pin plus plus are for increment of the pin number. And I have used pin mode to declare all the LED pins as output. Now the last function, that is loop. Here I have used 2 for loops, one for glowing LED from lowest pin to highest and another for highest pin to the lowest. So first for loop, int this pin is equals to 0, this pin less than pin count, this pin plus plus, following the star pattern as I have discussed earlier. So here I have declared digital write LED pin, this pin is high, LED will glow, and I have again used digital write so that the previous LED will remain high. Now another loop for highest pin to the lowest. For int this pin is equals to pin count -1 starting from last pin, and this pin greater than equals to 0, glow up to the 0th pin, and this pin minus for decrementing the pin number. Now digital write LED pin, this pin low will off the LED will and delay. Digital write LED pin, this pin low, so that the previous LED will remain low. As I have shown you the output, that in the generating pattern, glowing LEDs after returning back to the original position, all the LEDs were getting high together. So for that we have to digital write all the LED pins as high. As you can see, this digital write to all the pins 0 to 13 and then A0 to A5. Then we have a delay of 2 seconds, and then in the generating pattern we have seen that all the LEDs were getting low. So for that we have to digital write all the LED pins as well, and then again delay of 2 seconds. So this loop function will run again and again till the power is on. You can generate this pattern in n number of ways by making changes in the program. So this is all about my project. Thank you.